Exercise 3.4, question number 1. Find the LCM of the following by prime factorization. We already studied about HCF with prime factorization. Here we will study about LCM. What is LCM? LCM means least common multiple. Least means the smallest. Okay, and common means the one which is coming in both of them, and multiple means multiplied with the given number. Okay, so how do we find LCM with prime factorization method? I'll tell you. Again, I'll repeat. LCM means least common multiple. Okay, first one is 12 and 18. You can see here 12 and 18. We will find all the prime factors of 12 and then we will find all the prime factors of 18. You know how to find the prime factors? Already we have studied how to find prime factor for 12. We will see that 12 is divisible with which number? 12 is divisible with 2, right? 6 times. Again, this 6 is divisible with which number? With 2 only. 3 times. Now 3 is the prime number which is divisible only in its own table. So 1 time. These are the prime factors of 12. After this, we will write all the prime factors of 18. That is 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. Understood now? After this, we will write all the prime factors like this. 12 has the prime factor 2, 2 and 3. So 2 multiply 3, and 18 has the prime factor 2, 3 and 3. Like this I have written. After this, important point which is, first of all, you will select all the common factors. Okay, so common here is 2 in this also and 2 in this also. So this together will make up one common factor. Are you getting this clear? After this common factor, if you will see, another common factor is 3 and 3 in both the numbers. 3 is the factor in 12 also, and 3 is the factor in 18 also. So this will be your common factor here. Now the new point is that this 2 and this 3 we will not leave as it is. In HCF we were just leaving these two because they are not common with anyone. But in LCM, keep in mind the numbers which are remaining aside, we will take them also for multiplication. You got it clear, na? This 2, I know it do not has any common factor with itself, but you will write it here, and this 3 also do not has any common factor, but it will be multiplied here. This is your new step in finding least common multiple. Got it now? Once again I'll repeat this, that first of all we will find the common factor, then whatever is remaining which do not have any pair with itself, that number also we will write separately. Now we will multiply all the given numbers. How to multiply? You see here, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 36 will be your LCM. I hope this question is clear to all of you.